We got Danny rolling over. He's gonna be coming over here with his RX-8. We're gonna be painting his wheels. Dude, roll in. Might as well get it in now. Certified ricer. Wanna put this up on 4s?
Just pulled up advanced auto parts over here.
Rice bucket's about to get gold paint. That's us.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
About to start the decontamination process.
Hell yeah, dude.
Neglected RPF-1s, to say it nicely. We did find some issues with the RX-8, namely a missing sway bar bolt. We checked the brakes and we may have a leak on one of his stainless steel lines, so we're probably gonna work on this a few different times, just to get it back up to speed. But for now, since it's a rice bucket, we will focus on cosmetic mods. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these down right now.
Dang, Silica Hobby, dude. You just pop it out the only way. What? No.
Silica Hobby?
Dude. You just keep trying until it pops out. Alright, we were sanding the wheels. It's coming out okay-ish. Getting scuffs. It's 1000 grit, but that shit's gonna take way too long. We're about to hit Home Depot, get some 500, try to speed this up, cause
Get the barrels cleaned up with sandpaper.
yeah,
And take off the anti stickers.
yeah,
Thought we could rip them off.
yeah. We kind of got a little bit off, but that's taking way
It's
too
not
long.
a big deal. Danny's still working. I did a couple things. We have sanded it, so it looks pretty clean. We're gonna be able to get a good coat of paint on this. We'll prime it, paint it, and then we're working on this wheel. Decided to use 400 grit and 1000.
Working pretty good.
Looks like it's working.
Except for this old sticker wheel weight shit.
Let me know when you hit it all. Spray it.
No. Let me scrub some more.
Okay, Cinderella.
Like 30 minutes. Like we gotta go get some food, dog.
Yeah.
If that's okay.
Yeah. Watch it. I'm gonna hit it. Oh shoot! Yeah. Trying to. Here, hold this. Get this side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change my shoes. Get my nice shoes.
Yeah.
Sorry, good. All right.
Hell yeah.
We can hit it again.
Look at that.
We should be able to get pretty similar finish to this one.
Alright. We got the tires all taped off. Valve stems all taped off. About to hit this with some primer. We'll see how it goes.
Dries to touch in 15 to 30 minutes to handle 1 to 2 hours. Okay. So why don't we go 15 minutes per coat? 2 coats. It'd be like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And should I hit it?
Yeah, go for it.
It's okay if we're missing spots because we're going over a second coat.
Yeah.
I just want to go light, first one. And I actually do have to kind of get close, so.
Okay. Well, it's alright.
The spokes are so thin, I'm like missing some of it.
Yeah. Well, we'll get it up again. Dang. That looks so weird. The wheels going black.
Dude, these are hard because of the spokes inside.
Yeah.
But I'm not too worried about the primer because we just need to get like a base coat of primer. All right, Dan's going. I'm playing with myself too much. My hand hurts. Playing with the wheels. Yeah, the inside of the spokes is the hardest part, actually. I'd wait to let it dry, and then we'll layer another coat, and it'll be basically all primered up after.
Just just trying to.
The inside's the hardest part, in between the spokes.
Yeah, I'm getting it though. Everything's gotta.
Yeah, it's got a good base coat. I would hit this, and then we're gonna go back over it. I mean, there's probably a spot here, but don't worry about it because it's actually got primer, and we want it to dry, and then we'll hit more. So I hit this one too. You can't really hold the primer down because the spoke, you miss so much of the spokes.
Yeah. You just gotta do short bursts pretty much. So I'm just gonna start.
Yeah.
Cycling.
And you know what, dude? For the barrel, I say we just hit it with one coat.
Yeah.
Because actually, if we cover the primer good, I'm not overly concerned. The primer is not the one that needs multiple layers. It's the paint that really needs 3 coats, let's call it.
Yeah.
So Dan, working on the wheels. Looks like we're going to be able to get away with one can of primer here.
A dangerous mistake.
Vape juice. What we think is vape juice in his pants. We're not sure. The painting's a little bit relaxing, huh, dude?
Oh yeah.
So much different than when we were sanding it and whatnot.
Angry Sandy.
Let me step back, dude. I'll get so close. Nah, removing the Enkai stickers was the most difficult part because, well, they were just so dry. They had no flex, dude. Like
the most annoying part.
Yeah, but look, I can't even tell where the stickers were now. We did, let's see how long we spent doing prep. We started around almost 1, so it's 5:49. So prep took us like 4 hours. Between sanding, we took our time. Hand sanded that 500 and 1000 grit.
Dude, this can is ridiculous.
All right, Jay's back at it. We'll see. So he's doing 1 and 3. I guess I'm doing 2 and 4 right here. We'll see how it turns out.
This can's insane, dude.
Yeah, dude.
And believe me, bro, I work out at the gym. I have not had, this is like some serious grip strength.
Yeah.
We have enough for that wheel, I think, and then
No, we still got a good amount. See how it turns out. Well, yeah, we just got to tag team this thing because this thing is.
this can, this nozzle. I
ridiculous.
mean, it's okay the first like few minutes, and then your hands kind of get tired.
You get that pump in your hand, dude. Your veins are all popping out, dude. If you want to work out your forearms, get this can of primer, dude.
Rust-Oleum automotive primer.
There you go.
Rust, like,
Dude, you get that pump.
honestly, dude, this is insane.
All right, we're gonna finish up and then we'll get back on the camera. All right, little progress.
Oh, it's not
We got all of
We're not
them
gonna have another 2.
primered. Got a little issues.
Too much right there. And then we got cracking right there. I don't know if you can focus. Come on, camera. There we go. So we gotta sand that, respray it. We're letting them dry right now, but so far it looks pretty good.
Hopefully another hour or 2 and then we'll be done. So, let's go.
Not convinced that it's turning out pretty cool. Coat 1, not perfect, but here's our first attempt, and it's looking pretty sweet. Pretty sweet looking color. As you can see, we're having some problems with the wind, but in general, when you take a look at them from behind, and from far away, it looks pretty good. Don't get too heavy on that, brother. Just because remember, we got multiple coats, so I don't want to get too heavy. Wheel number 3. Take your time on this one. Hit this, dude. So much is floating up. I'd go
Closer.
I get closer for the face, but just you gotta move quick, like swift. Oh, yeah.
This one looks way better than this one.
Bruh.
Wind, dude.
I wish I had something. Should we put like a box? Don't hit that bottom anymore. It's getting drippy. Remember the barrel? We just have to like lightly coat it. We'll worry about the heavy coats later. All right, gentlemen and ladies, it is starting to look like a gold wheel. He's been jealous of the Scooby side. He wants part of the gold gang. I've done it once. Hey, you all up in it. You all up in that.
Alright, here we go.
More progress video. They're starting to come out now. We still got some edges to hit up, but
Probably should have started this at 9 in the morning.
well, yeah.
But you know what? I'm pleasantly surprised.
I'm still having a good time.
Alright, everyone. It's the next morning. Ran out of time in sunlight.
But we got the paint done and one clear coat put on. Actually turned out really good. Check that out. Dang.
Look at that. It's a little bright. It's actually really bright, but still looks pretty good.
So Danny's cleaning. We got the 20-minute special. Jesus. You can't stop. Look at this fool. This is supposed to be economical. He's spitting out soap. Alright, pre-soak the car. Foam, dude. Mr. Foam himself. Oh, we're using all 20 minutes. Oh, yeah. Little Evo. With a muscle. And an adder plate. He's onto the conditioner. What? Well, he's onto the conditioner. You missed the spot. We'll come around. I told you, that's all you got. Even in the shade, it's a bitch. Starting to look like a car again. We good? Look at the wheels, finished product. Not bad. Not bad for a rattle can. Stock tune? He loves his car, and he loves his too. Let me see that. It's like nothing. There's no pressure to like feel it. Yeah, that's what you're up.